मैंने आपको ऐसे एज पे देखा है जहाँ पे आपको भी पता नहीं था कि आप क्या कर रही थी. Which I am sure that now that you've grown up, you don't want to take back.
When I met you some time back for the first time, I felt like it was
Nostalgia.
so much. Yeah, it's been leading up to this for so long.
Tell us about your chemistries with people. How was it with Girish, with Himani, Gurdeep?
I think when you say you couldn't have gotten luckier with me, I think I should say more of that because I don't think I could have gotten luckier with the family that I got there.
Tell me, how was it like shuffling between your real life and your real life?
Children my age at that point would go to nurseries and they used to play. I feel like at that point it was like a little game to me that I used to play every day.
What do you think about yourself at this point of time as an actor for the future?
I think there will just be a moment where I will know that this is how I want to come back.
Like a
Make
Best of Luck
comeback.
Nikki season 5 would be.
That would be perfect.
Firstly, happy to see you. Okay, I cannot imagine how long it has been since I've probably meaning to have this conversation with you.
It has been
मैंने
too long.
मैंने आपको ऐसे एज पे देखा है जहाँ पे आपको भी पता नहीं था कि आप क्या कर रही थी. And you were literally put into a very interesting situation of your life, which I am sure that now that you've grown up, you don't want to take back. You were the Nikki or Best of Luck Nikki, which now we think is great, but back then we didn't know what kind of value it had. So I want to start with, firstly, not to ask you a question about Nikki. I just want to ask you about where are you in life and what's happening and what have you been up to, and just about that much to begin with.
Okay, so right now I just finished my 10th. I'm out of school. I'm going to enter 11th. I'm vacations going on. I'm living my best life.
Awesome.
But no, I'm really happy. When I met you some time back for the first time, I felt like it was
Nostalgia.
so much. Yeah, it's been leading up to this for so long, and recently also for the past year or two, I feel everyone's just suddenly out of nowhere gone back into Best of Luck Nikki, the universe, and I think it's been meaning up to
It's
happen.
like people have
meaning
been trying
happen for a long
to
time.
put it out there in the
Yeah,
universe a lot
exactly,
more.
exactly. I've been putting it out in the universe.
Have
I
you?
wanted this to happen
Wow.
for a long time.
I mean, I'm sure not just the podcast, but a couple of other
Yeah.
things that you never know might happen. We've all grown up. We're all in different situations of our lives. But the beauty about when we met a couple of days ago was that I felt like I've met a family member. Did you feel that too?
I did. If you remember, I called you Za Bhaiya because that's what I've been calling you all my childhood. And when I saw you, everyone around was calling you Za, and I don't call you Za because I knew you when I was really young. So I feel like calling you Za Bhaiya, and when you turned back and looked at me, I feel like in that moment, and even the people around us sort of just paused and looked because I felt like I did feel like I was meeting my older brother because you are that
is
for me.
unbelievable. Like, I still remember you started your journey when you were just about 1.
I was.
And I would be wrong to ask you how you felt about it because you obviously didn't know what was going on. But
Absolutely not.
tell us a little bit about what you felt at that point of time. What was it to shoot in a set, being amongst actors, being in this world that you suddenly were like representing? Tell us a little bit about that.
It was, I feel like I get asked this so much. I get asked what it was like to start off, but people don't completely register how young I was when I started. So I feel like when I started, I was 1. So for me, it was just second nature to be on set and to be with everybody. And when I say I see everyone on set, even the entire crew, I feel like I see them as family, not just because we shot shot Best of Luck Nikki together for so many years, but because I did grow up with everyone around me, and every all of y'all did sort of become family. And so when I started, I it was like a second life to me. I would be on set for the better part of my day, and then I would
But
go back.
tell me, how was it like shuffling between your real life and your real life? Like that is exactly. I know it's quite weird that we're actually questioning what you must have felt again, but I'm just interested in knowing a baby who's just 1 year old suddenly is in the middle of a shot and is doing exactly what she's asked to do. Like it's unbelievable. I don't think anyone gets this lucky in production as much as I think the production house did get and Disney got. And of course, we did too because you made our life so much more easier. But how was it for you to literally do the same thing every single time and every take and still make sure that you were absolutely bang on?
I think when we used to shoot, it was sort of this children my age at that point would go to nurseries, and they used to play. They used to play games. I feel like at that point it was like a little game to me that I used to play every day with the same set of people. And I don't know, doing what I was asked to do, it came naturally. It sounds like I'm made to say this, but it did come naturally. And I don't know how to describe how I did everything on cue, because it was a very natural environment. And I didn't think I had to pretend to be Nikki, because at that point, even I was Nikki.
So I feel like I had a very different take about you.
I want to know
You
more
want to know
about
that?
that. Yeah.
I thought for a 1 year old, your senses were far greater than a regular baby's.
That's
It's
so flattering to know.
I'll tell you why. Because your understanding or grasping power of where you are and what you're supposed to do was just uncanny. Like you were weird in a very genius kind of weird way. Like, because we used to keep surprising us with things that you used to do, and I'm
I
sure that
remember.
your parents also used to have that surprise come pretty often in their lives, like off camera. But for us who are outsiders, like today, I'm in a really bad situation because I have a 6, 7 month old at home who's my little Nikki. Um, and it's weird that I would never want to have those expectations of what I saw. I mean, you really had that standard in my life. So it's beautiful that you actually had those senses. I'm sure that you didn't think so, or you
I
probably
didn't.
don't realize it, but I feel like you had those things in it.
Yeah, I remember. When you say that, I remember the last, I think the third and the fourth season, I think I remember some things from there, little bits. And I remember everybody, uh, like the crew, I remember them stopping the take to revisit what I did during the take when I wasn't talking. It was just some expression or something I was doing. And they were so surprised and they wanted to do
Redo
more
it,
of
like
that,
do more of
because
that.
exactly. And it was, everybody would keep asking me what made me do that. But it was it was so natural, because it was like a family member is talking, and how I would normally
And then you've
react.
reacted, and then
Yeah,
we're
it was
like,
so
we have to have
normal.
this reaction inside. We have to have this reaction.
Exactly. And it was very natural. That I think that was the best part about it for me.
So now you've probably got into season 3, season 4. Your senses have become. You started understanding that this is some kind of daily role play that you are being put into, which is
Yeah, pretty much.
which is quite weird. And at the same time, you do realize that through that process, there is a mother, there is a father, there is a younger brother, and you put their
All the siblings.
respective siblings, everyone in their respective places. Tell us about your chemistries with people. How was it with Girish, with Himani, Gurdeep? How was it with them?
It was, I think when you say you couldn't have gotten luckier with me, I think I should say more of that, because I don't think I could have gotten luckier with the family that I got there, because it was, I think everybody was just a perfect person to cast for that particular role. Like, be it Girish Uncle or Gurdeep Auntie, or you for that matter. And for chemistry, I feel like they gave me a very it was all a very playful environment, but it was also getting the work done, which was, I think, the best way it could be. And Girish Uncle, I remember being very fun. He used to do all these fun things on set, and
Still.
yeah, it still does. I follow his Instagram. I'm very jealous of the way he handles his Instagram because I feel like I aim to have
Me too.
that
We need
level
to
of
have
content.
we need to have a manager that
Really.
actually, I mean, even we don't understand ourselves as much as
Yeah,
his manager understands him.
exactly. I'm very jealous of that, but I love that. You, I feel like it's been really natural. I don't think I can say this enough, but I got very lucky with an older brother like you and like Akash Bhaiya, because I feel like if I had to pick out of everybody, I think you were the person I was the most comfortable with on set, and
And that's
that
probably the reason why a lot of the scenes as you um, in the younger version, like the one first season, second season, you were majority of episodes
with
were
you.
with me. They were
Yeah,
written
yeah, yeah,
for
yeah.
us.
Exactly. And I think that reflect my comfort with you reflected on camera very well,
Yeah.
because I think I was best when I was in the same take as you. Yeah,
Yeah, I could
for 100%
I'll
it
tell you
was.
what, we've done so much improvising in takes where I did not know you suddenly smiled and I have laughed and then you have also laughed and then I have laughed above you. We've competed in takes. And I used to tell our assistant that, listen, she's actually competing with me in takes. Like it's weird, but she thinks that if I am laughing, she'll probably do something else and you'll make fun of me. You used to make fun of me on takes.
It's
Like
the
there were
best way
times
to
when you
be.
used to actually pull my leg. And I used to be like, wait, who's the elder brother here? Like,
That is, I think that summarizes our chemistry.
let's think about where you are today. You've just finished your schooling, and now you have started understanding what the show has done. And you suddenly have people coming up to you, everyone's grown up, everyone's consumed too many episodes on YouTube now. They somehow feel like these characters exist in their ecosystem.
Exactly.
What do you feel about the love now?
I'm so I f- I think I sort of adapted to it because I started getting this recognition since like when I was born, technically. And then in school, throughout school, I
That
was always
recognition.
recognized as Nikki.
Yeah.
And then when it came to, and then later on, when I actually started taking part in competitions, or when I think when I grew up more, like in maybe fifth standard, I think that's when Ananya was more prominent than Nikki in school, at least. But as for Nikki, I've always been that for people, and people have always called me Nikki. Like I've always been Nikki for people, and
Do they still call
it's
you Nikki?
they do. People, I have friends who like to tease me as Nikki because they know I think I'm very overwhelmed by all the Nikki comments that I now when I post on Instagram, because I just made my account public.
You're now on Instagram
I'm now on Instagram.
and
Like
you've made it public now.
I've made it public now, yeah. So
Wow. And
people,
how's the response?
the response is crazy because I don't think I expected there to be a lot of people who would recognize me and who would find out about my account. But I think I recognized it to maybe 30,000 followers, 40,000 followers, maybe around that range. But on my comments or on my views and shares and everything, it's way crazier. And I feel like they, up to a certain extent, they think I am still Nikki, but I don't know how to sort of put it out, not in a rude way, but like I love being Nikki. I don't
Of
think I would
course.
want anybody else to be Nikki.
Absolutely.
I Yeah, I would hate it if anyone else was
Yeah, and
Nikki.
same goes for I think all of us in
Yeah,
our respective
exactly.
characters.
So we are all our respective characters, and it's always going to be a part of me.
I
But
get it. I absolutely get what you're trying
yeah,
to
yeah,
say.
yeah.
It's like we we lived that past to a very good extent, and it was beautiful and it was amazing. We acknowledge it and we have a lot of gratitude towards it.
Exactly.
But at the same time, you are Ananya,
Exactly.
and you have a personality of your own that you don't want to be tied down to with Nikki. So I completely get it.
And it's also more because I think I was 5 when the last few episodes came out, and when the show properly ended, I was 5 years old. And I'm 15 years old now.
Wow.
It's been 10 years. And
That doesn't make me feel old at all.
no, you don't need to feel old. You look the same.
I look the same.
You look absolutely the same. I think if
You're
you
just
were to
being
be-
nice.
I'm not being nice. I would have said it to you. I would have pulled your leg now also if I could. But no, I think when I saw you a few days back, it was like I went back to season 4 on our set, and you were just the same person. So I feel like when people look at me on Instagram and they think of me as Nikki, they get overwhelmed by how much I've grown up. And if I am if I'm at a party with my friends, if it's someone's birthday and I'm out with my friends and it's a restaurant, and people can't imagine Nikki going out with her friends and going out alone with her friends, because I'm Nikki for them and I'm always going to be.
They're always going to introduce you as the girl from Best of Luck, Nikki.
Exactly,
Like, oh,
exactly.
this is the girl. That's my friend.
That's
Also, by the way,
Ananya.
she's from
You must have seen her on YouTube.
Nikki. By the
Exactly.
way, my
Disney
friend.
character. It's always going to be that. And I feel like to
Wow.
some extent, I want to tone it down a bit, but I'm also very happy. I can't complain.
I feel
about-
like it's also something to embrace
it is. Yeah.
because I think the love is there till whatever point it actually exists. I think you know the beauty about what that show has done to us. It's actually safeguarded our childlike innocence.
Exactly.
I mean, at the age of 21, I played a 16, 17-year-old. At 27, 28, when the show was just about to get over, I was quite mature, as a person from where it all started. I felt a little bit more like I'm growing age, I need to do bigger things in life, blah, blah, blah. But today, after it all got done, I just felt like while I was doing the show that innocence should never be lost. I think
Exactly.
that
I agree.
spirit, no matter how old you get, I mean, that's my only advice to you, besides all the other advices that you might get.
No, but this one means a lot.
Yeah, I mean, I feel like you should never let that go, because I think even when my granddad was 70 or 80 years old, if I had to have a good laugh with him, it's because of his childlike innocence that he left within him. I still remember all your family. Your dadi used to come on set.
Yeah.
Your
yeah,
nani
yeah.
used to come on
My
set.
nanny came on.
I remember
on
all of
TV
them.
once.
Yeah.
She was in. She was in an episode. She
Yeah.
was in.
She played my girlfriend.
Exactly. Yeah. And it was. We still talk about that so much. I recently
God.
met her.
That is so
I
weird.
think 2 weeks back, and she was telling me about. I told her that I met you. No, I think it was the day I met you, but
They're also sweet.
and they remember you. I think my nanny, she was talking about you the other day. She was talking with somebody, I think some friend of hers, her granddaughter saw it and she recognized my nanny. And she said, I think this isn't that Ananya's nanny in the show, or is it just a coincidence? So we were talking about this actually.
I
I
still
think that's
remember. I
crazy.
actually forgot about it, but now you just brought it up. I just realized that she
She
played
was there.
like a whole part of an episode where I hit on, not hit on, but I have become extremely good friends with older
Yeah,
women,
yeah.
and I've started going for kitty parties with them. I mean, I sometimes wonder like what were they thinking while making my character.
I think the mindset that the writers had when they wrote Rohan is the best mindset for somebody to be in. I think if I was writing Rohan's character, it's the best frame of mind I would be in.
Where you just want to like absolutely think about no seriousness, absolute nonsense.
Yeah.
It's the bullshit that we need in our lives.
Exactly. And you played that so well because it didn't feel like you're actually somebody's making you do
Thank
this.
you. Thank you.
That was very good.
Thank you.
I enjoy that a lot.
But tell me, where do you see yourself now that you are done with school? Firstly, are you a topper? Are
I'm
you
a good
downplaying?
student.
You're a good student.
I'm a good
You're
student.
downplaying it.
There's
Are
nothing
you
I
into
can say
sports?
right
Are
now.
you into sports?
I'm not a very big sports person. I'm
Okay,
more
that's fair.
artistic. I play keyboard. I learned dance professionally.
Okay, so a lot into music, dance.
Yeah. I can sing, but it's decent. It's not great.
You want to give it a shot
No,
right
no, no,
now?
no, no. It's passable. So
You wanna sing the title track
I
for
don't
us?
want to sing that.
I'm sure you know the title track.
I do, but I'm not going to sing it at all.
ठीक है. We'll do some AI stuff for you. to
You
be
do
able
the
to
most AI stuff. I can lip sync all you want.
Okay. What do you think about yourself at this point of time as an actor for the future? Is that something that you would consider? You want to put it out there in the universe? Yes, no, maybe. What's your take on it?
I've thought about this a lot, and I feel like if maybe in the future, if there's just the right thing that comes along, and if I think there'll be a moment if I ever want to go back into acting, I think there will just be a moment where I will know that this is how I want to come back,
Like a
make
Best
a
of Luck
comeback.
Nikki season 5 would be.
That would be perfect. Yeah, that would be a dream.
That would be like bang on.
The
Yes.
that would be the ideal thing to do.
Okay.
But I feel like maybe in the future, and I mean future, like after I'm done with 12th standard, maybe.
Okay.
Because, yeah, I think if the right thing comes along, I would not mind.
Sure.
But on a more practical level, I feel like what the way I was as Nikki in Best of Luck Nikki, I feel like it was too perfect for me to maybe ruin is a harsh word, but I don't want to spoil that image that I have in front
Sure.
of everybody because it was I was playing a child and I was a child. So it was too perfect. And I feel like if I don't do a good job at the next project, if I ever work on it, I think it won't be satisfying to me, but I feel like I would make a decent actor.
I think so too. I have a feeling that you would. I think you were always very intelligent in those kind of environments. Like you had a great understanding of what your role would be within a scene. So I am sure that you would master that if you were actually put into a situation.
Yeah.
And again, that's. I mean, it's subject to if you really want to do it or not. But I mean, it's just the way I look at it. In fact, I think I built my character on imperfections. So while you were perfect,
perfect.
while you were perfect, I used to just kind of tap into everything imperfect that I could bring out of myself.
I think that was great. If I could do that, then I think I would reach.
I mean,
My
the point is
standard.
that I don't think it's just about looking good, like you rightly said. I think it's about not looking good as well, which I
That's
think the
very deep.
vulnerability is what they.
That's what
You know
they
what I
want.
mean?
I do. I think that's why everyone's watching this also because people are going to really go back into their childhoods when they used to watch it.
Yeah.
And now when they see me now and you now doing this, it's going to be so different. It's going to be the way I watched the Friends reunion with my dad.
No, for all you know, we might just get the rest of the cast on
If
this
that
soon.
we can get, then what else
Crazy.
do we want?
So what's your advice to? I mean, you don't really need to give an advice to people who are older than you, but just to your generation. I mean, you at least have seen a little bit of fame at a very early age, and then now it's a lot more than what you actually understood it. Right now,
Yeah.
What's your advice to people who want to be an actor or who want to achieve some kind of fame or looking to be influencers? What is it that, how do you look at that platform for yourself and otherwise?
I think, and I say this not putting pressure, but I think the first impression that you make is always lasting to an extent.
Okay.
Uh, for example, the impression that I made with Best of Luck Nikki was it was very pure and very innocent,
Correct.
and it was it was perfect because that was what was expected of me.
Right.
But for people who want to be influencers, I think that's a very good thing to be, because you don't have to pretend to be anybody. At the end of the day, it's you who is doing the influencing, and people want to see you. So the best thing to do is just, it's what you told me uh, sometime back. It's to not, I think at the end of the day, people look best, even on camera, when they are natural and they are themselves. And that's how we achieve Best of Luck Nikki.
Yeah.
It's by being ourselves. I think that's the best thing they could do.
Awesome. So I'm just gonna kind of keep a closing note here. I um I would love to have you again on this. I
I
think we
would
have a
love to be here
lot
again.
to talk about.
We do, really.
I feel like there's so much that we can catch up on, and maybe next time when we do this again, I think it's got to be with probably Akash or with
That
Sheena or
would
with
be
mom and dad.
fabulous.
It'll be even more fun.
Be really
But
fun.
I think we're really excited for you. Okay, I think you have a great journey ahead,
Thank
and
you.
I can't think of saying anything else but best of luck, Ananya. Okay.
The Ananya at the end means the most to me.
I know, right?
Thank you.
And I really hope if there is any way that I would be able to play a part as your elder brother in this journey of yours, I would love to.
I think you're not playing an elder part. I think
Yeah.
you're not playing a part. You are. I call you Za Bhaiya. So you are already an elder
I know,
brother.
I know, I know, and it's great to have you, and thank you so much.